In this segment, we'll do some basic concepts of geometry which are very important to know in order to understand and learn geometry. And those are a point, line segment, line, and array. So the first one we'll do is a point. A point is basically a dot which is represented by a capital letter, and it doesn't have any dimension. So this is a point, let's say point B, and let's say this is a point C. So these are the points. The next is line segment. Now when we join any 2 points, so let's say this is a point A, this is another point B. When we join these 2 points, we get a line segment. And the notation for line segment is AB with a bar on top, or BA with a bar on the top. So a line segment has a designated length. So it can be, a line segment can be 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 10 miles, 1,000 miles, or 1,000,000 miles. Basically, it has a fixed length. Next is a line. A line does not have any end point, and it is extended infinitely far from both the directions, like this. So let's say this is a point A on this line, and this is the point B. And the notation for a line is AB with the bar and the arrows on the top. Or we can write it as BA with the bar and arrows on the top. So a line is extended infinitely far. A line does not have any fixed length. It is extended infinitely far from both the directions, but a line segment has a fixed length. Next is a ray. A ray has endpoint on one side, and the other side is extended infinitely far. So let's say this is the point A, the end point A, and this is some point B. And the notation for ray is A, B, bar, and arrow on the side of B, as it is extended infinitely far towards B. So we cannot write it as BA arrow. So this notation is wrong. So we write it as AB bar. So these are the 4 basic definitions in geometry.